Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a music player overlay to your edits in the CapCut mobile. So just add the video first, the video that you want to edit, and the music player overlay. You can easily find it on the CapCut library. So click on the overlay, add overlay, then go to the CapCut library. Click on the green screen category. Then in here, you'll easily spot the music player overlay on the green screen in here. Click on the video and click on add. And let's get rid of the green screen by using the chroma key under the remove BG menu. Click on the chroma key and drag the color picker. Don't forget to adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, click on the check icon and you can just place it in anywhere you like. And since my video is too bright so that the overlay doesn't come out, so I'm going to make it dark by going to adjust, and let's lower the contrast and also the brightness like this. Then just click on the check icon and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.